Hello everybody, I am Pratik Sati. Today I am presenting a topic on Algebra, a model designing tool of mathematics. So aim of the project is to find out two unknown numbers using algebraic model. So let's start. So design model and solution. So suppose we are going to a market and we bought 3 apples, 2 oranges and 1 banana. I take X for apples, Y for oranges and Z for banana. So if apples are 3, so X also 3. So X plus X plus X plus Y plus Z. So then if X is 3, so 3X plus 2Y plus Z equal to 25. So solution with single variable. So first solve this problem. The problem is 4x plus 2 equals to 2x plus 10. So how to solve it? First 4x equals to 4x's. So we will write first expand it. First we have to expand. So x plus x plus x plus x plus 2 equals to x plus x plus 2. We have expanded. So we have to cut two commons in the both sides. The both side what is common? X, 2x's. We will cut the 2x's in the both sides. So what is here? X plus x plus 2 equals to 10. So then x plus x equals to 2x. We will write 2x plus 2 equals to 10. So we will minus 2 in the both sides. Okay, if one side is minus 2 and another side also minus 2. Okay, so 2x plus 2 minus 2 equals to 10 minus 2. Okay, then the answer is 2x equals to 8. So 2x equals to 8. So what is 1x? So then solve it. So then we will divide 2 in both the sides. So 2x divided by 2 equals to 8 by 8 divided by 2. So the answer is x equals to 4. Okay. So then derivation with multiple parameters. Okay. So then first x plus y equals to value 1 and x minus y equals to value 2. So we will cut in this y and y in the uppercase and lowercase. Okay. Then 2x equals to value 1 plus value 2. So then we will divide 2 in the both sides. One side is divided by 2. Then another side also divided by 2. So then 2x divided by 2 equals to value 1 plus value 2 divided by 2. So so we cut the common in uppercase and lowercase. What is common? 2 2. So we will cut 2 2. So then x equals to value 1 plus value 2 divided by 2. So then we have get the formula of addition value of two numbers and then subtraction value of two numbers. Then x plus y equals to value 1 and x minus y equals to value 2. So then 2 so then we change the symbols in this minus is plus and plus will be minus. So then 2y equals to value 1 plus value 1 minus value 2. So then like this we will do 2y by divided by 2 equals to value 1 minus value 2 divided by 2. So then we will cut the commons. Okay. So then the answer is of subtraction value of two numbers is y equals to value 1 minus value 2 divided by 2. Okay. Then model to find two unknown numbers. Given addition value of two numbers. For example, value 1 equals to 17 and value 2 equals to 5. Subtraction value of two numbers. So then condition is that both the given values must be odd odd and even. So one number is x equals to value 1 plus value 2 divided by 2. Then another number is y equals to value 1 minus value 2 divided by 2. So now x and y are two numbers. Then example 1, both the values are odd. So if value 1 equals to 17 and value 2 equals to 5, so then one number is x. So what is the formula? X equals to value 1 plus value 2 divided by 2. Where what is the value 1? 17, value 2, 5. So 17 plus 5 equals to 22. 22 divided by 2 equals to 11. So one number is 11. Another number y the subtraction value of two numbers. What is the formula? Y equals to value 1 minus value 2 divided by 2. Where what is value 1? 17. Value 2 is 5. So 17 minus 5 equals to 12. So 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Now two numbers are 11 and 6. So then example 2, both the values are even. And if value 1 equals to 50 and value 2 equals to 8, then one number x 50 plus 8 equals to 58 divided by 2 equals to 29. One number is 29. Another number y equals to 50 minus 8 divided by 2. So 50 minus 8, what is 42 divided by 2 equals to 21. So now two numbers are 29 and 21. So you have learned that how to know the unknown numbers using algebraic model. If you like this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this video. Subscribe this channel, my channel. If you are new in this channel, YouTube, and share this video to your friends and relatives. Bye.